नमस्कार मंडळी, कशा आहात सर्वजण? आय होप सर्व एकदम मजेतच असाल. मी तुमचं बालटीचं स्वागत करते त्यांच्या मोस्ट अमेझिंग प्लॅटफॉर्म नेम ॲज निरंजन स्वामी क्लासेस. तर मंडळी सर्वजण कशा आहात? एकदम मजेत का? तर ठीक आहे. आज मी घेऊन आलो आहे केमिस्ट्रीचा लेक्चर नंबर 6, हा जो की लास्ट लेक्चर आहे आपल्या ऍसिड बेस अँड सॉल्ट साठी. ठीक आहे, तर रेडी? टेक आउट युअर बुक्स अँड रेडी फॉर आवर लेक्चर. टॉपिक्स टू बी कव्हरची लिस्ट आहे. आज पाहून घ्या टॉपिक्स टू बी कव्हर्ड. हे बघा, water of crystallization, ionic compound and electrical conductivity, dissociation of ions and electrical conductivity and electrolysis. ठीक आहे, टोटल 4 टॉपिक कव्हर करायचे आपले. 1 2 3 4 टॉपिक आपल्याला आज कव्हर करायचे आहे. ठीक आहे, आणि इथे एक ऍड करा एक्सरसाइज. एक्सरसाइजचे बघू, एक्सरसाइज बघू. ठरवतो मी आता काय करायचं. लेक्चर कसं होईल त्याच्यावर. ठीक आहे, बघ तुम्ही. चला, रेडी? वॉटर ऑफ क्रिस्टलायझेशन. ओके, प्रेझेंटेशन. ओके, तर वॉटर ऑफ क्रिस्टलायझेशन म्हणजे काय? क्रिस्टल मीन्स अ स्मॉल क्यूब ऑफ शुगर. What do you mean by crystal? Crystal means small cube of sugar. आता क्रिस्टल म्हणजे बघा, जे कडक आणि त्याचं ट्रान्सपरन्सी असतं. आपला आईस पण एक क्रिस्टल झाला, तसे की आपलं शुगर पाहतो बघा आपण बॉक्स शेप मध्ये. कसं असतं ते? क्रिस्टल आहे का नाही? म्हणजे क्रिस्टल्स मीन्स शुगर. ठीक आहे, इन्फॉर्मेशन रीड करू. The crystalline structure of blue vitriol broke down to form the colorless powder and water come out. This water has a part of crystal structure of blue vitriol. It's called as water of crystalline. म्हणजेच काय? क्रिस्टल स्ट्रक्चर, द क्रिस्टलाइन स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ब्लू विट्रोल broke down the crystalline structure of the. एक मिनिट ते लिहितो एक्झाम करायला. क्रिस्टलाइन ब्लू विट्रोल break down, get break down form colorless water with Okay, so what do you mean by the crystalline of water? Let's see. The crystalline structure of blue vitriol break down to form colorless powder. Suppose it is a structure. Okay, suppose it is a structure, it will be get broke down to form colorless powder. Or to form colorless powder, and water get comes out. Means what happens? Since suppose it is a balloon, in that balloon the water gets comes out. Okay, and pure and put into the. Okay, comes out. Part of this PRT, part of this structure is called crystalline structure. Means what? That the crystalline structure of blue vitriol get come out to form the colorless powder, and the water get out, and this is called as crystalline of water. Okay, all are clear? Understand? Let me see again. The crystalline structure of blue vitriol broke down to form colorless powder. Water get comes out. Part of this structure is called crystalline of water of crystallizations. Okay, the water present in the crystal after hitting the crystal the water get evaporated and the water of crystallization. Water help to keep the shape steady or of crystal. Water is present in the crystal. This is very important because if the water get evaporate, the crystal demolded its shapes. Means that ice cube, when the water get demolded, what happens? Means the water get evaporate, the ice will also get, so it will be leave their shape. There is no shape. This water which help the crystal to stay in steady position called water of crystallization. I will give a simple definition of it. What is it? The water which help the crystal. The water which help the crystal to stay in a steady position, to stay in a steady position called. The water which help the crystal to stay in the steady position is called as water of crystallization. All have clear? All have clear? Okay. 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 So we have completed this topic. Clear. Next, ionic compound and electrical conductivity. Ionic compound and electrical conductivity. Okay, let me see. When there is a liquid or solution in the circuit, two rods, wire or plates are impressed in this. This is called electrodes. Means what? When there is a liquid solution in the circuit. Means what? This is a circuit. Means wait. It is a beaker, battery, suppose the solution, when there is a liquid or solution in the circuit, two rods, wire or plates are impressed in this. Means this structure, see the two, there is a two beakers. Beaker, battery. Means what happens? When there is a liquid in this circuit and the two rods are put in it, it's called as electrodes. Okay. Electrodes are usually made up of conducting solids. Okay. Made up of conducting solid. Made of conducting solid. CON. Conducting solid. Okay, all are clear? Okay. This electrodes connected to the negative terminal of a battery by means of conducting wire is called cathode, and electrode connected to positive terminal called anode. Okay. Cathode, conducting electrode. Means what happens? See here. When this positive terminal get minus, and this minus will get plus. Okay. Electrode, cathode. Okay. Ionic compounds are good conductor of electricity when they are in aqueous or molten shape. They are good conductor. They are good conductor when they are in molten state. Okay. Ionic are bad conductors of electricity when they are in solid states. Okay. When they are molten states, mean they are semi-solid state, they are good conductors, and when they are in solid state, they are bad conductor. See, here is logical there that When this compound is in a solid state, it is bad conductor. It is in the liquid form, is semi-liquid. It is in the good conductor of electricity. Are you clear? Okay. Done. Done. Next, dissociation of ions and electrical conductivity. Of how it dissociates, okay, I will show. Negative. Cation, anion. Cation, anion. See how they dissociate. Here is NaCl. Na is positive, it is minus. Positive means cation, means cathode. NaCl. Cl is minus, it's negative. Then it is anion charge, negative. And what is it is anode. Okay. Due to this circuit get complete and the electricity will get pass. Okay. Through this circuit the electricity will get passed. See, here is the positive terminal, here is the negative terminal. What are the how we dissociate here? Suppose it is HCl. Okay. H. What is H? H is plus. Cl is minus. What is it is anode. Charge minus. What is it? Cathode. Charge plus. Okay. Are you clear what is meant by dissociation? Dissociation म्हणजे लांब जाणे, असोसिएशन म्हणजे जवळ येणे, डिसोसिएशन म्हणजे दूर जाणे. म्हणजे दूर गेले का नाही, NaCl कंपाऊंड सेपरेट झालं का नाही, Na इकडे, सोडियम इकडे, क्लोराईड इकडे, हायड्रोजन इकडे, सो क्लोराईड इकडे. समजलं? मग त्यांना आपण चार्ज दिलं पॉझिटिव्ह, कॅटायन नेगेटिव्ह, एनायन कॅटायन कॅथोड, एनायन एनोड, चार्ज पॉझिटिव्ह नेगेटिव्ह. ओके. Are clear? Okay. So like this, complete dissociation of ions and electrical conductivity is complete. Now we will take electrolysis. What electrolysis is a very short topic. We will see. If pure water is used in electric cell, current does not flow. Means pure water is not used. Pure water is not used. Means when we see that drawing of beaker, in that if we use pure water, the electric cell or the electric current will be not passed to the pure water. Okay. Pure water is a bad conductor of electricity. And okay, the contraction of H plus and OH ions formed by the dissociation of water is very low. Means 1 into 10 to the minus 7 mole liter of for each ion. An assembly that consists that container and the electrode disappeared in it called as electrolytic cell. Okay, this much has been given for the electrolysis. Not that much important. I will read again the information. Play. Pure water is a bad conductor of electrolysis because the current of the electric cell will be not passed. The contraction of H plus and OH ions formed by the dissociation of water is very low. Only 1 into 10 to the power minus 7 mole per liter for each ion. Okay. Okay. So like this we have cleared this topic. And we will take some exercise questions. Yes. First, identify the odd man out. Chloride, nitrate, hydride and ammonia. So what is what? Ammonia. Why? Because here see, chloride, nitrate and hydride, all are anion, but only the ammonium is cation, that is why it is odd out. Hydrogen chloride, sodium hydroxide, ammonia. So what is here? Hydrogen chloride. Second answer is hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride. Next, acetic acid, carbonic acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid. Acetic acid. Why? Why is it acetic acid? Because all others are strong acid. Acetic acid is weak acid because it contains natural acid. Acetic acid is present in which? Vinegar. Ammonium chloride, sodium chloride, potassium nitrate, sodium sulfide. Okay, why ammonium chloride? Ammonium chloride is odd man out. Ammonium chloride, because all other are neutral salt, only ammonium chloride is basic salt. Okay, acetic salt, not basic, acidic salt. Sodium nitrate, sodium carbonate, sodium sulfate, sodium chloride. Odd man out is sodium carbonate. What is it? Sodium why all sodium carbonate? All others are neutral, but it is base. Sodium carbonate is a base, all other are neutral. Okay. We will see sixth one. Space over हो गई पर खत्म नहीं हुआ. Calcium oxide, magnesium oxide, zinc oxide, sodium oxide. What? Zinc oxide. What is here? Zinc oxide. Why zinc oxide? Because all other are bases. Zinc oxide is what? Amphoric. Okay, amphoric. Crystalline of blue vitriol, crystalline of common salt, crystalline of ferrous sulfate, crystalline of sodium carbonate. Crystalline of common salt because all other, when we hit other, they remove their color, but crystalline common salt do not remove their color. Means what happens when we remove all when we hit all other, what happens? They remove their color, but crystalline common salt do not remove their color. Okay, that's why crystalline common salt. Okay. Sodium chloride, potassium hydroxide, acetic acid, sodium associate. Here is associates. Alright, acetic acid, all other are strong acid, acetic acid is weak electronate. Okay, so right sorry, so like this we have completed our session. तर मंडळी कसा वाटला आपल्याला लेक्चर? एकदम मस्त का? ठीक आहे ठीक आहे ठीक आहे. तर मंडळी कसा वाटला लेक्चर? एकदम मस्त का? एकदम सर्व क्लिअर झाले. अशा प्रकारे आजचा आपला हा लेक्चरही कम्प्लीट होतोय आणि ऍसिड बेस अँड सॉल्ट हा एकदाचा चॅप्टर झाला कम्प्लीट. आणि आता मी घेऊन येता याच्यावरती लगेच आता मिड टर्म मॅरेथॉन येणार. याच्यावरती मी स्पेसिफिकली मॅरेथॉन नाही बनवत आहे. ठीक आहे का? बनवायची स्पेसिफिकली आय थिंक दॅट आपण डायरेक्ट मिड टर्म मॅरेथॉन मध्ये हे होईलच. आता नको बनवायला स्पेसिफिकली. आता डायरेक्ट मिड टर्म मॅरेथॉन येईल. कशाची? केमिस्ट्री आणि बायोलॉजीसाठी लवकरच. ठीक आहे, तर बी रेडी. आणि अशा प्रकारे हा पण चॅप्टर आपला होत आहे कम्प्लीट. व्हॉट हियर कम्प्लीट. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. भेटू आता आपण एका तर मंडळी कसा वाटला लेक्चर? आता मी घेऊन आलाय युनिट टेस्ट मॅरेथॉन. तर मंडळी भेटू आपण एका पुढच्या लेक्चर सोबत. तब तक के लिए टाटा बाय बाय अँड सी यू.